In this tutorial, we will show you 5 best cinematic LUTs. First cinematic LUTs is Evening Azure. This is our clip. For applying LUTs, simply click on Filter section. Now, search here, Evening Azure. Then, drag and drop to the video clip. Now, double-click on it. And then reduce its opacity for making better cinematic. Then click on Color section. Here, we will adjust its color and light for making a cinematic look. So watch it. Now it's done. Moving to another LUTs. Second cinematic LUTs is Urban Shine. Again click on Filter section and search Urban Shine. Then apply it on your video clip. Now double-click on it and then click here on Color section. And then we will adjust here lighting and color combination. So watch it. Then after, we will adjust curve. Now it's done. Moving to another LUTs. Third cinematic LUTs is Cine Rich. Once again, click on Filter section and then search Cine Rich. Now, we will repeat the process, so watch it carefully. Now it's done. Moving to another LUTs. Fourth cinematic LUTs is 7 Crimes. Again, search here 7 Crimes. And apply it to the clip. And then we will follow same instruction. So watch it. Now it's done. Moving to another LUTs. Fifth cinematic LUTs is Sunlight Sea Star. Search here, Sunlight Sea Star. And apply it to the clip. Similarly, we will follow same instruction. So watch it. Now it's ready to export.